Hi, I'm Kajal, co-founder of Pick My Work. Been working on this company for about last 3-4 years, and before that, I worked in Club Mahindra in sales. So in 2019, when we sort of realized that probably Recalta campus placement software is not as scalable, we built a huge team, and they were not able to give the scale that we really required. Selling to institutions in India is one of the worst kind of sales to imagine, and it's going to take time to give you results. And usually in startup, you don't have time. So hiring people and them not giving the ROI that we needed made us realize that this business is probably not as scalable as we thought it's going to be, and that is when we started discussing about Pick My Work, etc. But by that time we'd taken a hit, and we had to fire some people. And this is one of, I think this can be one of the worst times in the in the lives of entrepreneurs, when you have to fire the people that you've hired, because one of the you don't realize while you're starting entrepreneurship, but one of the major reasons and one of the major things that you end up providing is income opportunity to people. To 2020 onwards, we got really mindful about hiring. And we focused on intern hiring and trying to get the best ROI out of a person instead of mindlessly spending on hiring people and training them for a longer period of time and then trying to get the ROI. And we put a lot of effort into hiring interns. We trained them as interns, and then they were sort of absorbed in the company as full-time people, the ones who actually ended up doing well. And that has actually saved a lot of money for us. Our salary costs have been the same in the current financial year as the previous financial year, but our revenues have increased 10x. So getting investing in people during their training time and getting the best ROI out of them, and then hiring them full time has really helped us. It's a very good strategy that we figured out. It also, dealing with Recalta and the losses that we made had also made us very mindful about spending money. So another thing that we did was, instead of doing a lot of inorganic reach out to get more giggers on the Pick My Work platform, we focused on things like referrals, organic way of growing the company. And it has it's of course one of the cheapest ways of getting people on board your app. It's known, and we felt that why not start with that, and then maybe we'll look at something inorganic and Pick My Work becomes a bigger name. And that strategy has worked well for us. We've kept our costs low, and we've been able to get a lot of Pick My Work partners on the app through word of mouth. And these two strategies have worked decently well for us.